again, just outside of Tulsa, Oklahoma at our main facility. I'm here with Lucas. He's from our Springfield, Missouri franchise location. Just want to introduce him, let you guys know that we've got about 25 different franchisees around the country. He's one of the ones that right here close to our home location. He works for Crump, is that right? Crump?
Yeah, Crump Truck and Trailer. We've recently added the United Axle franchise to our business as we approach our 100th year.
Well, that 100th year in being in the truck repair business, really?
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty amazing. So there's a lot of experience at Crump, and they decided to come and work with United Axle, and I think that's a great thing. We as a franchisee feel like it's not just coming back to the factory to just deal with them. We deal with other franchises throughout the country, and having a strong team, even though we're individual owners or individual employees of different franchises, having that backup to be able to call somebody, ask them a question, if we have a warranty issue, if there's something you have going on, if you get something done in Central Florida and you make it out here to Missouri and have an issue, this man right here is going to come to your aid and get you back and going. And one other quick thing, inside Eddie's little sign says, "We want you, franchise available." You guys can reach out to our main location, speak to Todd and Kira. We've got other franchises that are available around the country. We need the help. We're swamped with work. We want more people on our team, and we cannot wait to welcome more people to come on, because the stronger our corporate is, gives us a stronger backing for what we're doing. So come on, talk to us. We appreciate your likes, your all that. Just pay attention to us, watch us. We're going to keep bringing material to you, and just really, we spent the day together. It's been a good day.
Been a great day.
And learned a lot off each other, and just hope to keep doing it again. Appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.